living in the house and paying these $800 a month gas bills. See if we can get this piece of junk to work. Oh, look at this. Yesterday it's a stove. Today it's a TV set. It's not the gas bill, it's the damn TV set. I'll call somebody and fix this thing up. Kenmore? Yeah, y'all was out here yesterday and you couldn't fix my stove, and now my TV set's on the blink. I want somebody over here now to take a look at it. I'm out here cold and I got nothing to do. Send him on over. Hey, look at this.
Kenmore.
My name's Old Frazee.
Yeah. Bill.
Bill, take a look at that TV set. I got a green lunch, flatter, and a pancake. I want my TV on. I'm tired of sitting out here in the cold, nothing to do, no TV to watch, nothing.
Face comes up.
Action.
Yep, that's what I thought. Bad high-speed oscillator.
Tell me that price again. My batteries went dead on my camcorder and I lost it.
$149.95.
Like I asked you before, I think. Will you take credit?
Nope. Cash on service.
Well, fix the stupid thing. I want to hear it work before you leave. Last repairman came out here, said the buzzer's fine on the stove and the dumb thing said it was good. I had him leave. Do you understand any of that?
Hey, Toulouse's grandchild.
That must have been Elmer's. He lost one about 10 years
Using
ago.
these for antennas?
No, quit screwing around and get my TV to work. It's cold out here and nothing to do.
Always gonna remember eating at Red Lobster.
Hey, now here's something working now.
Always fresh, the freshest seafood in town. And
I got something.
That's good. Well, leave it alone. I can hear it.
So much. And right now at Red Lobster, you can get a pound of this sweet, juicy pork and tender short crab roast for just $10.99.
Yeah, working like a charm.
Yeah, I'll bet it is. Well, you have a nice day. I want to get it. Hey! Hey, come back here! You! Look at this thing!
It's homemade and fresh, just like
Harold, what do you do? He took me!
$10.99 a pound.
It's a radio! Doggone radio! What? Fix this little red wagon now. You got me so mad I'm mad at the horse. Fix this thing like I fixed the stove. I'll fix this thing. That ain't gonna do nothing. I'm riled up now. I'm mad at the horse and heat. That ain't gonna do nothing. I've been keeping these for a day like this. I ain't doing nothing. Wait! I'm not through yet. You wait till I fix this little red wagon. That didn't do nothing. Oh, look at this! Your batteries better be working, you big loser. See what I mean? I done threw my back out on that one. Now I'm riled up. You done got me out of breath. Holy cow! Is it working now?